Summer vacation is here. Time to slow down, feel the sun, and make memories with your little ones. But let's be honest, keeping young kids entertained for weeks? Not always easy. Here are 7 simple, joyful ideas to make this summer unforgettable for you and your kids. Let them run, jump, and explore outside. Fresh air, real play, and all that energy burned off means calmer evenings at home. Turn lunchtime into an adventure. Picnic at the park or your own backyard. It's not about the food, it's the fun of being together. On hot days, nothing beats bubbles and water games. Let the giggles and splashes begin. Too hot outside? Get creative indoors. Salt dough crafts are simple, hands-on, and spark the imagination. Rent a boat and feel the breeze. Whether it's a canoe or paddle boat, being on the water calms everyone and adds magic to a summer day. Let your child pick the park and make a day of it. Rides, treats, laughter, and that sparkle in their eyes. No time to travel? Pitch a tent in the garden. Flashlights, snacks, and snuggles make for big adventure, right outside your door. We hope these ideas spark your summer joy. So, what's on your family's summer list? Whatever you choose, make it playful, make it loving, and most of all, make it yours. Happy summer!